Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video, I am going to explain you how to use the 2D transform option in the TopCon Total Station with the help of magnet field software. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So open the magnet field software. So go to the map. So here we can see that this is the one FMB which we have created in the home, and after that when we go to the field we have taken the OCC point as well as backside point, and after that we take the two OS points, OS1 and this is the OS and this is the OS2, nothing but old stones. So these stones are actually the A point as well as the D point. Now the other stones are missing. So how can we transform this created FMB to these 2 points? Nothing but we have to align our created FMB to these 2 old stones. So here OS1 is the point A point and the OS2 is the D point. So let me check the distance from OS1 to OS2. So the horizontal distance is 30 chains, 8 links. And now let me check the distance between A point and the D point and select inverse. So the horizontal distance is the same, 30 chains, 8 links. So in this case we can transform our created FMB to these 2 old stone points, nothing but to align this FMB to this old stone points. So how can we do this process? So go to home and go to calculate, and after that here there is a option transform. So select this option, and after that here there is a 2D transform. So select this 2D transform, and now after that here we need to select the points. So here click on this add option, and now here instead of from coordinate select from point, and now select our map, and now here it asks us from point. So I want to pick the from point is a point which we have created in the home, nothing but created FMB, and now this is our from point, nothing but the source point, and this is our OS1 is a destination point. So from A point and the 2 point is our OS1. So after that tick on this option. Now again click on add option, and now in this case it is in from point. Now the point is here, it is the D point, and the 2 point is my second OS stone, and after that click on this option. So here after that click on next, and now we need to select our total FMB points. So with the help of map icon, now select all the points which we have created in home, nothing but the boundary points of your FMB, and after that click on this map icon, and here we can see that 5 points are selected. After that click on calculate. So here we can see that the 5 points are transformed. Just close this and go to home and go to the map. So here we can see that our FMB which we have created in the home is a transport, nothing but transform to the old stone OS1 and OS2. Now with the help of polygon option I am going to create the F line from E to D. So here we can see there are 2 points. The point D is created in the home and OS2 is the old stone. So we can, here there are 2 points and I am selecting the OS2 point and click on this map and C and the B point and the OS1. So after that, here we are transform the created FMB to the available old stones. Nothing but we have aligned the FMB to the available old stones. So after that we can stake out all the missing stones by selecting the point. So C point and hold the stylus on the screen, and here there is an option stake out, and we can find out this C point and we can put it on the field. So this is how we can use the 2D transform option in the total station. So remember, while transforming, the old stone point distance as well as the created FMB points distance should be matched. Then only you can do this process. So this is how we can able to use the 2D transform option. And so I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you so much. Love you all. Jai Hind.